Hi everyone, here I am starting this vlog by baking with my daughter. So we are making some cupcakes. So I have started making the cupcakes, and you can see the recipe on my blog because I have already shared the recipe on it. It is a pomegranate and white chocolate chip cupcakes. So here I like baking with my daughter because she is so much interested in mixing and stuffs like that. So I have a batch of brownies in the oven. So I thought of showing you my lunch because I know I would be baking. So I finished my lunch early in the morning. So today's lunch is very simple. It is pumpkin and green gram curry. I have shared the recipe today on my blog. You can check it out at www.yummytummyarthi.com. So the link will be in the description box below. It is a healthy vegetable dish which has pumpkin and green gram, that is rice, and so I took a pomegranate and I gave half a pomegranate to Mahi. So the remaining half was there, so I thought of using it in a cupcake because I have already baked a white chocolate and pomegranate cupcake earlier, like few years back, and it tasted really delicious, but I forgot to take picture of that. So the recipe is not on my blog. So I thought of trying this today, so I can share it before Christmas. So this is this long beans poriyal, and puli kolambu is my lunch, which is on that kadai. So lunch is very simple. So now the once the lunch is completed, right, so I can concentrate completely on the baking for my baking recipe. So Maha is so excited to make cupcakes. Here I have mixed butter, sugar and egg along with a little bit of vanilla extract. So I'm using this Philips hand blender, which I bought recently. So now I'm going to measure all-purpose flour. I have very little of it. So I think I need a cup of all-purpose flour. So I think I have a cup over there. So here Maha is helping me measure the flour. So 1 cup all-purpose flour, which is maida, measures like 120 gram. So here I'm measuring. So when it comes to baking, you have to be really precise with the measurement. You cannot modify it as per your need because baking has to be precise. The measurement has to be precise. So now it's 120 grams, which is 1 cup. So I'm adding it in the mixture and going to make continue making the cupcakes. So this is how I actually like take pictures for my blog. I add each ingredient one by one, and then I take a snap of it. So if you haven't checked my blog, you should please you should go and visit it because I do share daily, and I do post like picture recipes with step by step pictures, so it will be easy for you to follow. I'm yet to like do videos of my recipes. I will soon share it, soon start to take videos and share it on my YouTube channel. So this the original video of this recipe, or like this video vlog is on my Tamil channel, which is Yummy Tummy Tamil Kitchen. If you understand Tamil, you can go and check it out. So now the batter is done. I have added the pomegranate and white chocolate chips I'm going to add. If you haven't tried this combination, you have to, because the light tartness from the pomegranate kernel and the sweet of the white chocolate chips goes well really together. So now I'm adding a little bit more of white chocolate chips. Now we have to mix this and put it in the the cupcake cases, so we can bake it and make these cupcakes. So I'm going to take the cupcake liners because I have quite a bit of collection of the cupcake liners. So many of you asked where I bought these cupcake liners in my Tamil vlog. So these liners, few of them are gift, and a few of them are from bakewala.com. You can check their website, and some of them from Amazon. So that the brownie is almost done, and now I'm going to check it out and put it back. I mean, sorry, the brownie is done, but I have to check it out. So now I'm choosing the liners. So I put the liners in the muffin pan. This is a non-stick muffin pan. Usually what I do is I use a ice cream scoop to scoop the muffin batters or cupcake batters, because ice cream scoop is very handy, and you can easily like measure it easily, because one scoop goes in each muffin mold. So I lost my ice cream scoop when we shifted our house, so I have to buy a new one. Now the muffins are inside the oven, so I have to like clean all these mess. Meanwhile, my husband called me to show how Mahi is sleeping, because she just fell asleep on her own, which doesn't happen often, because now she is so tired, I think so. So now I put Mahi to like in the I have a blanket over there, so I just spread it out and put her to sleep. Now I'm going to continue my baking. So many of you asked about our floor tiles. It is actually not granite or marble or anything. It is just marbonite, which are regular tiles. I will share the complete details soon. So now I have to unload the dishwasher and fill and load the dishwasher with the dirty dishes. And I have cleaned a little bit over here. I have to put few more stuffs in the fridge and in the pantry. So I have to put this yogurt container in the fridge, and this hand mixer goes into the shutter thing. So this is the Philips hand blender, which I bought like few weeks back, because I had my aunt Perima's hand blender from our old house, because my hand blender got was broken, so I was using hers. So I thought of getting my own hand blender when we moved here. So I picked the Philips one, because the quality of it is really nice. So now the muffins are filled, so I have kept a few pomegranate kernels back, because I want to decorate, put the icing over the cupcakes and decorate it with the pomegranate kernels. So I have kept something back. So now also I'm going to decorate it with this sprinkles, which I bought in Amazon. It is a confetti sprinkles, and it looks really colorful. So now the brownie is baked. As you can see, it looks so good. It is so moist and so fudgy. The recipe has been shared on my blog. Search for chocolate chip brownies. I have put the cupcakes into the oven for like 20 minutes. Since this recipe of the cupcake is my own recipe, I have to assume the timing. So I have put it for 20 minutes. So now I have to take a picture of this poriel and the kootu. I have picked these two props today for taking the pictures. I have to wash them and then take the pictures of the poriel and kootu, which again I have shared it on my blog if you want the recipe. So this is where I take the pictures of my food, because I get lots of sunlight over here. So these are the food shots. I'm not an expert in taking food photography, but I take little bit okay photos. So this is how I do. I take each stepwise pictures and I share it on my blog. So you have to check it out. So now the photos are taken. Now we can have our lunch. This is the book which I referred for making the brownies. It is Mary Berry's baking book, and the recipes in this book is really good, because they are very simple and just few ingredients thing, and it's not it is like everyday baking book. So I bought this book in Amazon, and whenever I want to bake anything new, the first thing which I refer is this book. So now I'm putting it back in the bookshelf where it belongs, and I'm just picking the other two books which I like referred, and putting it back. I have quite a few cookbook collections. All these books have been collected like over the years, like 5 to 6 years. I buy them when we go on vacation. If I see any nice cookbooks, I pick them, and few of them are from Amazon and Flipkart. So when I see any good deals, I just pick the books. So now the lunch is all done. So I have put it on the table. So this is how the cupcakes turned out. You can see it is absolutely perfect. Uh, Even I am surprised because the cupcakes turned so soft and very springy, like the one which we get in bakery. So you have to try this recipe. The recipe has been posted earlier, so you can check it out at white chocolate and pomegranate cupcakes on my blog. So I have made a quick white chocolate icing on the icing to go on top of the cupcakes. So before you ice, you have to let the cupcakes cool completely, which I have done. So this icing is very basic. It has white chocolate, condensed milk, icing sugar, milk, and that's it, I think so. So I heated everything till it gets like spreadable consistency. So I'm using that icing and the sprinkles and some pomegranate to decorate the cupcakes. So my little helper is going to help me decorate the cupcakes. If you want, you can just put some whipping cream on the top of the cupcake as well. But this white chocolate icing is really nice, because since the cupcake has some white chocolate, the topping like complements the cupcake very much. So you can see the icing is nice and creamy. So there she is doing a taste test, and she is enjoying the icing. So now the cupcakes all are decorated, and I'm going to take a picture of main picture for this, and then we can enjoy. So I just put some pomegranate only on 2 cupcakes, because Maha wants like doesn't want to put pomegranate on the cupcakes. So I just put it on just 2 cupcakes for photo. The rest I just left it like that. So now we can see the brownie is done, and I'm telling you guys, you have to try this brownie because it is absolutely delicious. The brownie turned out like super fudgy and so chocolatey and rich. So the recipe is on my blog again. So I'm just keeping on saying go and check my blog, go and check my blog, because I do share like all the recipes over there. So I have taken picture of this brownie, and I have put I have saved like few brownies in the fridge, because I wanted to try a brownie sizzler. So I have put it in the fridge, and the rest of it we are going to enjoy it warm with a cup of milk. So many of you ask that do you eat all your baking stuffs and things? We don't eat actually, preferably myself, I don't eat much cakes and stuffs, but I like a little bit of chocolate brownie. I like it. Most of the stuff which I bake, I just give it to the neighbors and friends, and I usually share with my neighbors. So I have packed everything. So this cupcakes will be going to my sister's house, because I want to give it to her friend. So the brownie also, I'm saving few pieces for myself and my family, and the rest of it I'm going to give it away. So there Max playing with a toy. So I was quite shocked, because the whole house was like this was taken in this video. This particular clip was taken like in the afternoon. I was assuming why the house is so quiet. So when I came here, I saw these three were sitting inside their playroom, inside a small tent-like thing. So that's why the house was so quiet. Uh, so this is a sample which I received in the mail, and this is not a sponsored thing. It is just a sample. It is from a shop called as Kashmiri Online Store from Instagram. So there Maha is asking me like she wants. I'm not sure what she wanted to. I think she is asking to bath or I'm not sure why she is asking. What she was asking. I'm sorry. So this particular nuts, badam and walnuts, are from a shop called Kashmiri Online Store, I think. It's from Instagram. They contacted me and asked if they can send me sample. I told yeah, you can send me. So they sent me a packet of saffron, and their saffron is like so good. It is very aromatic and very fragrant, and the walnut tasted very fresh, but the badam was a little smaller in size, but it was very sweet and very delicious. It is not at all like it is very crispy and fresh. So this is the online store which is on Instagram. It is Kashmiri Online Store official. So you can, if you want any nuts or saffron, you can go and check their site. Again, this is not a like sponsored post. I do share things which I like and which I use. So I don't do like sponsored promotional thing. So now in the evening, me and this little girl is having a little snack. We are having apple with peanut butter, and that is real peanut butter because it doesn't have any sugar added in them. And it is from a company called Butternut. I uh, I will show you the bottle because I forgot the name. So I like to dip apples in peanut butter, and Maha likes to dip apples in Nutella. So peanut butter is very healthy. So I'm going to have a little snack with this one. So with this, I'm going to finish this vlog. I hope you like this. I will see you soon in another vlog. And I thought of showing you the bottle. It is the Butternut Co. peanut butter, which is unsweetened. They have almond butter as well. So you can buy this in Amazon. So we'll see you soon in another vlog. Thank you.